Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to select or choose the challenge mode on the UCL campaigns on EAFC mobile. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log in into your EAFC mobile, and if you already log in, you can go to the UCL campaigns on the main menu, and if you're already on the UCL campaign menu, you can swipe to the right if you want to select or choose the challenge mode. Okay, so you can click the challenge mode. Wait for a second, and you can see over here you have five choices, and if you want to select of one of the challenge, you can just click like this. Okay, just click the challenge. Sorry, I misclick, so I back to the UCL campaign. So wait for a loading, just a second, and then you can swipe right again and challenge mode. And if you want to select the one of the five this challenge mode, you can click the UCL daily challenge, UCL daily challenge 2, PvP challenge, weekend La Liga challenge, and also daily La Liga challenge. Okay, so you can choose one on the five choices on the UCL challenge mode. So here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.